$500 this week, using a free tool you already have. No portfolio, no experience, no clients yet. None of that matters for what I am about to show you. I am going to show you 3 ChatGPT gigs that pay this week. The third one is the one most people never find. That one pays the most. Stay for it. You have ChatGPT. You have opened it maybe twice. You have never made a single dollar from it. That changes in the next 3 minutes. Gig 1. Write social media captions. Small businesses need 5 captions every week. Most owners hate writing. ChatGPT does it in 30 seconds. You charge $15 to $25 per batch. Open ChatGPT. Paste this exact prompt. Watch 5 ready-to-post captions appear in under a minute. This is exactly what you deliver to the client. Here is where your first client comes from right now. Fiverr Buyer Requests. These are real people already looking to pay for this. Respond to 5 today. 5 caption orders at $20 each. That is $100 from Gig 1. 2 hours of work. Now add Gig 2. Gig 2 pays more. Online businesses need email sequences. Welcome, launch, follow-up. ChatGPT writes all 5 emails in under 3 minutes. You charge $35 to $75. 1 prompt, 5 emails, ready to send. You fill in the business name and product. That is the only customization needed. 3 email orders at $50. That is $150. Add Gig 1. You are already at $250. Now here is the third gig. Here is Gig 3. Companies pay $50 to $150 for a single job description. ChatGPT writes a professional one in 40 seconds. Most beginners are not doing this. That is exactly why the demand is so high. HR managers spend 6 hours writing 1 job post. You send them one in 24 hours for $50. They save 6 hours of work. That is why they say yes immediately. Here is the exact prompt. Watch a complete, professional job description appear in under a minute. This is the deliverable clients pay $50 to $150 for. All 3 prompts are in a free download in the description. Copy, paste, start today. The link is right below this video. 3 job description orders at $80. That is $240. Add all 3 gigs. You are at $490. Almost there. 10 outreach messages per day. 5 Fiverr buyer request responses. 5 YouTube DMs. That is the only rule that makes this work. In 30 days, 3 active gigs running. Your first 5-star Fiverr review. Your first $500 week. This channel shows you every step of building that. 3 gigs. Captions. Email sequences. Job descriptions, 10 messages a day, $500 this week. The system is simple. Start today or start never. Subscribe now. Turn on the bell. Next video, how to scale these 3 gigs from $500 to $2,000 a month. That video goes up. Your upload day. Do not miss it. New AI income system every week. Subscribe. Bell. Build this with me. See you next time.